Hello everyone, I'm Daisy and today I'm gonna introduce management accounting to you. Management accounting is defined as processes and techniques that are focused on effective and efficient use of organizational resources to support managers in their task of enhancing both customer value and shareholder value. The processes and techniques of management accounting that are used to enhance value include systems to support the formulation and implementation of strategy, process improvement and cost management techniques to help develop and manage a firm's competitive advantage, planning and control systems to help managers to manage resources, and estimates of the cost of products to support strategic and operational decisions.
Good because it facilitates us how to deal in factory, how to make best of our resources and stuff. So it's quite good, and also
After we study in the management accounting, that we know that the role of management accounting and financial accounting is different. And being a management accountant, we need to provide some financial report for the internal users, but for the financial accountant, they just provide some financial reports for the external users, such as shareholders or the stakeholders. If we try to be a successful management accountant, we need to calculate the cost of goods successfully. And in the management accounting, we need to divide the cost account into three separate accounts, which is the raw material, work in process, and finished goods. And when the finished goods put on the shelf and we sold to the customer, then we move from the finished goods to the cost of goods sold. And well, after learning this course, we've equipped some very basic knowledge of how to be a management accountant, and I think we will be benefit from this in our future.
Learning management accounting is about summarizing previous year's performances and based on that to predict on coming year's change. Budgeting is a very important component of business operation and also a management accounting main point. A good financial budget can make the firm allocate their resources more efficiently and lower the total cost as well. Also ensure that the short-term performance is with the same direction to the long-term objectives of the firm. And there's different budgets to different type of businesses. For example, for the manufacturer, they need to have a budget for the labor cost and raw material, and also manufacturing. There's different budgets for different type of business. For example, the manufacturers, they need to have a budget for the labor cost, the raw material cost, and manufacturing overhead as well. Also, if they need to add new equipment or new staff coming in, they also need to have a detailed budget about that so they can perform better in the next year than the previous year. And for the wholesale, they also need to budget for the labor cost and as well as the stock. For example, if they have an increased chain of sale in this product, they need to have, maybe they want to increase their stock of that product in the next year. For the retail, it seems likely to the wholesale, but they need to concern more detail about customer services as well as their stock or their labor costs. There's different types of business, they have different budgets, and budgeting is also very important for different level of management. Learning management accounting is important for us to become, no matter if you're low level or mid level or up level managers. It's also all very helpful and beneficial.